Hey, hey guys. Sorry for being late. I was having problems setting it up, but we're here now. You ready? Get everything open. Let me check too if my audio is good. Yeah, yeah. It looks like you can hear me. Okay, let me play some of the background noise music. Okay. Yeah. So this week or the end of this week, I'm gonna switch to minis. The only reason I'm like, it's a bit of friction to do so is just simply because I have to change like every of my chart, and it's just that's about it. So yeah, we had ADP today at 10 a.m. We have ISM, so we're gonna be sitting on our hands till then. If I see something clear, I'll take it. But yeah, ISM came in a little bit under expected, but it's better than negative job reports. Let me see the exact number. So it came at 41 when the expectation was 49. So not bad. Okay. So while that loads, I'll bring you to the 1 day. So as you can see, S&P is testing all-time highs, but you know it's weird, and I'm still not fully understand. I think it's because this is like um the settlement as close on a daily interval, whatever that means. I'm not sure what that means honestly. Um, because why I think is because the market actually is high is 79 710, so it's here, but it's not showing here. But like if I go to the 4 hour, I can see it. But we opened rather flat, honestly. We had a little bit of a retracement, um and we're positioned well. It's just gonna be like what ISM is, and I think market is still gonna be choppy till like Friday, because Friday is the main thing. Like unemployment rate is what we really care about, and non-farm payrolls. So yeah, so that's like the 1 day. I mean, it's basically saying that we're at the ceiling. Will we break the ceiling? Will we retrace lower? And the 1 week on ES looks healthy. On Nasdaq, it's almost it's like it's right now testing this resistance. So we're gonna see how the reaction how the reaction plays. So then the 4 hour and 1 hour, we have like yeah, we had a solid pullback. Like I mean, a little small pullback from yesterday. Um, and now we're retesting the same, like basically the close of yesterday. So I don't know. Let's just see. I mean, we could break out. Um, yeah. So we would enter this. This is like I feel like gonna be a lot of resistance just because it was it was a PO3 support. Like this is like a major support, and even if I go back further, it's it'd be interesting for us to break, but let's see what the market wants to do. And yeah, ES doesn't really have too much to worry about. And the 1 hour and are not really saying much. So now let's go here. Okay. So I'm just loading this up again. It's just like simply accumulation. Nothing like shouting to me. So now let's go to HP. I mean, that's the name of the monitor. But anyways, yeah, let me log in. Okay, I remember there was some liquidity higher. Yeah. So this value area. Which we could play, but it is a bit of a, where is this? Okay. Oh yeah, it's at the top of that. It'd be very bullish if that plays out. It was back in October. I can't scroll all the way to October. I don't even think of a low till now. That's one like downside. Okay, now we just see what, okay, there's liquidity higher. I'm gonna show you that. I shall just show you that for now. There is liquidity higher. A good amount actually, pretty distributed. Little bit of a divergence which happened here. Okay, now it's just about sitting and waiting. Nice breakout into the liquidity. Very clean. That's funny, when we do breakout, our breakouts are much more aggressive. So yeah, wow. Because I was not expecting that bullishness. So I got 4 minutes, but I just want to see where exactly this is. So that's here. I think the market's gonna play before I can. Darn it. Okay, but that's the edge I want to play. I just have to be, I mean, a little bit lucky if the market takes a deeper pullback before it makes that move. There's no liquidity. I mean, there's still liquidity higher, but it's not as a... Oh, I have to change the screen. Okay, nice pullback. I mean, I really value trades are like really easy and clean. So I want to play this. Let's see how this closes. Risk is alright. Could be a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. But I do like to play 2 Valley Area instead of POC. It's just less of a resistance play. It's accumulating quite a bit. Okay, liquidity is higher. 880, which is POC. Almost had a chance to close clean. So we're consolidating a little bit of accumulation. It's a little uncertain. Okay, I got filled. Ran up a bit shorter. Very close to testing POC. Just trying to be patient. I'll reduce risk, of course. Okay, I'm filled out. That's a winner. So basically, it was just a breakout trade after a little bit of accumulation, and the POC after we had a pullback right in front of yet value area low, and then I simply just kept my order sitting there, and just basically it's similar to yesterday's trade, you know, this structure, but a little bit more of a consolidation. That was more of like a breakout. Okay. So I'm done. So I still like fully feel that my POs, like any trades that have to do with value area, and value area again is where volume is conducted the most within within a season, which is 9:30 to 4 p.m. And within that season, where the volume is most conducted, there is the high of that, the low of that, and the point of control, where it's like where buyers and sellers were interacting the most. And playing those usually have very good win rate for me. So I take those without thinking, and as time comes, like maybe I'm still taking it slow, maybe in 3 months or something like that, um, or Yeah, 3 months would be the minimum. Then I could think about, like, I know I could size on those trades just because of, like, played them well for a decent amount of time, but I also just want to, like, continue to train that conditioning that the brain needs to understand that it's one trade. Um, we're non-striving and less is more, you know. So that takes time to train, and that's my focus. That's basically it. Now, I'm gonna call it, and mhm. We had some views today, so that's nice. I'm seeing that some people are tuning in, so thank you for watching. I do this every day. About, like, I always post the day before if I'm gonna go live. But I love to express anything that you would want to know. And I really just I'm here to help people become a better trader if I can, provide some value. That's really my goal. And I just that's what I look forward to. That's what kind of brought me here, just because you get a little community. We can all share our experience and talk about edges and how to perform in a difficult market. Like, it's a very it's like it's a sport that is competitive for our minds. Like, it's like chess. It's like similar to chess, like you're competing by strategies. And but one thing what's different, I think, is that trading is, like, I think the only thing you can do that is a real battle of your psychology. And that just, I'm telling you, it's like it's worth it, because you fight through the ups and downs, and you deal with the psychology. The lessons you learn are so, like, amazing for anything in life, and it's perfect. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna call it here. My English is not the best today. I didn't sleep the best, but even if I didn't sleep the best, I have, like, one system, one trade, one high quality, and walk away. So yeah. Anyways, hope everyone has a good day, and thanks for tuning in.